So we're going to move on and do the Melody Foxtrot now, which is another little popular dance. And we're going to commence with gentleman on his left foot, lady on her right foot, and you're in ballroom hold with the gent facing the line of dance. We're going to dance a little box. Forward, side, close, back, side, close. We're now going to dance a walk into a little lunge, which has a little plie action where you gently bend the knee. Now we have a twinkle, which is back together and then into a little lockstep forward cross, changing feet as you close together. Step together, step, cross. We now repeat the box, the twinkle and the lock. We will end in double hold. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, walk, plie, step together, step, cross. We're now going to dance gentleman on his left foot, lady on her right foot, a walk into a little check. Walk, check. Now we're going to turn to face the other way, the gentleman dancing back together forward, while the lady dances forward, side, back. Turn, 2, 3. We're now going to repeat the walk and the check, walk, check, and repeat the turn with the gent dancing back together forward, the lady dancing forward, side, back, and she will end in front of the man. Quick, quick, slow. And as you can see, we've adopted our ballroom hold. Moving down the line of dance now, gentleman on his left foot, we're going to dance 2 walks forward and a 3-step backwards, closing together at the end. Walk, walk, back, 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 close. Repeating the 2 walks, gentleman left, lady right. We're going to walk forward, walk forward. Now we're going to run forward and a side close to the centre. Run, run, side, close. So as that was quite a quick dance for you to learn, we're just going to go through it now and put the whole 16 bars together. So gentleman on the left, lady on the right, we've got box, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, walk, lunge, twinkle and the lock. Step, box, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, walk, lunge, twinkle, moving to double hold, the walk, the check, the turn to face the other way. Walk, check, turn to face the other way, adopt ballroom hold, walk 2, run back 3, change feet, and walk, run, and into side close.